In recent years, online workshops have become a popular way for professionals and entrepreneurs to share their expertise and generate income. With the continuing growth of the digital economy, it's not hard to see why. Online workshops offer a flexible and convenient way to teach and learn, making it possible for people all around the world to connect and collaborate. If you're someone who's passionate about sharing your skills and knowledge, or you're looking for a new way to monetize your expertise, then creating and selling online workshops might be the perfect option for you. In this video, we'll take a look at the steps you need to follow to create and sell online workshops in 2023 so you can start sharing your knowledge with the world and building your own successful online business. Choose your topic and audience. Choosing your topic and audience is the first step in creating and selling online workshops. You need to identify a topic that you're knowledgeable and passionate about, and that will be of interest to your target audience. Your audience could be people who are interested in a specific hobby or skill, or professionals who want to improve their knowledge or skills in a particular area. To choose your topic and audience, you can use market research tools and surveys to understand what topics are in demand and what your target audience is looking for. You can also use your expertise and experience to identify a topic that you feel confident in teaching. Plan your workshop. Once you have chosen your topic and audience, it's time to plan your workshop. You need to decide on the format, the length, the delivery method, and the learning objectives. Your workshop format could be a lecture, a discussion, a hands-on activity, or a combination of these. The length of your workshop should be appropriate to the topic and the audience, and you need to decide on the number of sessions needed to cover your content effectively. You also need to decide on the delivery method of your workshop. Online platforms such as Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams are popular options, but you can also use other tools such as webinars, podcasts, or pre-recorded videos. Make sure to choose a platform that is user-friendly and has the features you need to deliver your content effectively. Finally, you need to set learning objectives for your workshop. These should be specific, measurable, and achievable goals that your participants can accomplish by the end of your workshop. Your learning objectives will guide the creation of your content and ensure that your workshop is effective and engaging. Create your content. Once you've planned your workshop and chosen your topic, it's time to start creating your workshop content. This can include presentations, videos, handouts, and exercises. You should aim to create engaging and interactive content that will keep your audience interested and motivated to learn. When creating your content, consider the following. Learning objectives. What do you want your participants to learn and achieve by the end of the workshop? Make sure your content is tailored to meet these objectives. Structure. Divide your content into manageable chunks or sections that are easy for participants to follow. Visual aids. Use images, graphs, and other visuals to enhance your content and make it more engaging. Interactivity. Incorporate activities or exercises that will help your participants apply what they have learned and keep them engaged throughout the workshop. Make sure to test your content before delivering your workshop to ensure it is effective and engaging. Set up your online platform. To deliver your workshop, you will need an online platform. There are many options available, including Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Choose a platform that is user-friendly and has the features you need to deliver your content effectively. When choosing your platform, consider the following. Features. Look for a platform that has the features you need, such as screen sharing, breakout rooms, and recording capabilities. Accessibility. Make sure the platform is accessible to all participants regardless of their location or device. Security. Choose a platform that is secure and protects your participants' privacy. User-friendliness. Choose a platform that is easy to use and navigate so your participants can focus on learning instead of technical issues. Make sure to test your platform before delivering your workshop to ensure it is working properly and that you're comfortable using it. It's also a good idea to provide your participants with instructions on how to access the platform and any relevant materials before the workshop begins. Promote your workshop. In this step, you'll need to promote your online workshop to your target audience so that they are aware of it and interested in attending. To promote your workshop, you can use various online marketing tools such as social media, email marketing, and digital advertising. Social media is a great way to reach a large audience quickly and easily. You can create posts or stories on your social media accounts, such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, to promote your workshop. You can also use relevant hashtags and collaborate with other influencers or experts in your field to reach a wider audience. Email marketing is another effective way to promote your workshop. You can create an email list of potential attendees and send them targeted emails with information about your workshop. Make sure to include the date, time, and registration link in the email, as well as the benefits of attending your workshop. Digital advertising is also an option if you have a marketing budget. You can use platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to target your audience based on their interests, demographics, and behaviors. This can help you reach a more targeted audience and drive more registrations for your workshop. Deliver your workshop. In this step, you'll need to deliver your workshop to your attendees. To do this, you'll need to set up your online platforms such as Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, and make sure that everything is working properly. During the workshop, make sure to engage with your audience and encourage questions and feedback. Use interactive and engaging content such as presentations, videos, handouts, and exercises to keep your attendees interested and motivated to learn. Make sure to also keep track of time and stay on schedule. It's also a good idea to record your workshop so that you can use it for future promotions or as a product to sell. This can help you reach a wider audience and generate more income from your workshop. After the workshop is over, follow up with your attendees and ask them for feedback. This can help you evaluate the success of your workshop and make improvements for future workshops. You can also use this opportunity to promote any future workshops or products you may have. Follow up and evaluate. Following up with participants after the workshop is over and evaluating the success of your workshop. Here's a more detailed explanation of this step. Follow up. After the workshop is over, it's important to follow up with your participants. You can send a thank you email or message to show your appreciation for their attendance and ask for feedback on the workshop. This feedback can help you understand what worked well and what could be improved in future workshops. You can also use this opportunity to answer any remaining questions or provide additional resources. Evaluate. Once you've collected feedback from your participants, it's time to evaluate the success of your workshop. You can use the feedback to identify what went well, what could be improved, and what you need to do differently in future workshops. You should also evaluate the metrics you set before the workshop, such as the number of participants, the engagement levels, and the revenue generated. This will help you understand how successful your workshop was and what changes you need to make in the future. Using the feedback and evaluation from your workshop, you can improve your future workshops and create more effective and engaging content. You can also use this information to promote any future workshops or products that you may have and attract a wider audience. By continuously evaluating and improving your workshops, you can build a loyal following and establish yourself as an expert in your field. To summarize, creating and selling online workshops in 2023 can be a lucrative and rewarding way to share your expertise and help others achieve their goals. Congratulations, you're now equipped with the knowledge to create and sell your very own online workshops. By following these tips, you'll be able to attract and engage learners from all over the world while generating a steady stream of income. Remember, the key to success is to provide value, be authentic, and stay consistent. So go out there and share your knowledge with the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the future of education. Thanks for watching.